Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Intense takes the lead with his album Voyage on iTunes chart. The 16-track project tops the US iTunes reggae album chart and currently holds the number 5 position on Jamaica's Apple Music Top Albums chart. Voyage, which was released earlier this year, features collaborations with the likes of Taurus Riley and Jacure. The Love and Harmony Cruise has unveiled its current lineup for the highly anticipated 2026 sailing. Headlining the voyage, of course, is reggae icon Beres Hammond. He'll be joined by Busy Signal, Remain Fargo, Tanya Stevens, Maxi Priest, Pinches, and Agent Sasco. Recently highlighted in Essence magazine as a voyage that transcends generations and unites music lovers globally, the Love and Harmony Cruise extends far and beyond traditional music experience at sea, drawing fans from around the world who connect through sound, story, food, and community. The Love and Harmony Cruise is now entering its 8th sailing. The cruise will set off from Miami, Florida on April 2, followed by a highly anticipated stop in Ocho Rios, Jamaica on April 4, before returning to Miami on April 6. Additional artists will be announced in the coming weeks. Now, on the international scene, Chaka Khan will be honored later this month at the 2026 Resonator Awards. Khan, who is set to receive the Luminary Award, in a statement said empower women, and that she is honored to be part of a movement that celebrates the creativity, resilience, and determination of women creators everywhere. Khan is a 10-time Grammy winner. In addition, she will receive a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Recording Academy at the Special Merit Awards. The event will include a seated dinner, award ceremony, and live performances. Funds raised will go to support the mission of We Are Moving the Needle, a nonprofit organization working to radically reshape the future of the recording industry. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.